Hello everyone, my name is Florenice. My last name is Okendo Usuga. I am from Chugorodo City. I am housewife. I am 33 years old. I am married. My husband is called Jose. I have two children, a son and girl. My son is 15 years old. My daughter is 10 years old. I am sixth semester on English. I am listening to music. I like to sing. My description. As of my height, I can say that I am small. I am thin. I have brown and small eyes. My hair is very long and brown. I am clear skin. When living and saying my physical description, I am going to tell about my personality. I am a very nice person. I am also a extrovert. I am enjoy with my family and my friends. My daily routine. I wake up every day at 7 o'clock. In the morning, I go to the bathroom. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. Then I go to prepare breakfast for my family. Next, breakfast with my family. Then I wash the dishes. Then I wash the clothes. Then I prepare the lunch for my family. Then I eat with my family. Then I wash the dishes again. Then I brush my teeth again. In the afternoon, I do my homework. I watch TV. In the night, I go to prepare the dinner for my family. I eat the dinner with my family. Then I watch TV. Next, I go to bed to sleep at 12 o'clock at night. See you later. Thank you very much. Bye bye.